Now let's have the demo of the real-time head count building management system. So you can see that right now the people are entering in the building. We can see the green pop-ups as well. In the control room, it shows that the people are entering, and you can even see the crystal building. The figures are changing, and all the spline graph countings are also interacting with the number of people entering the building. So there are now altogether 11 people already enter in the crystal building. Now we are having a demo for the out demo. You can see a red pop-up when anybody comes out of the building. So it shows the red pop-up, that is the checkout pop-up, and also the figure reflects with that. Now it becomes 10, now 9. The two people get out of the building, and you can even see the beautiful spline graph. It also reflects with the figure as well.